Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Cornix to Binance. First, log into your Binance account and navigate to the API management section. Here, you'll generate a new API key and secret. Make sure to enable the necessary permissions, typically for spot and margin trading, but avoid withdrawal permissions for security. Carefully copy both the API key and the secret, as the secret is only shown once. Now, open your Cornix application on your device. Within the app, locate and tap on the Exchanges menu option. From the list of available exchanges, select Binance. You will then be prompted to enter your previously generated Binance API key and secret. Paste these credentials into their respective fields to establish the connection. After entering your credentials, Cornix will attempt to connect to your Binance account. Verify the connection status within the Cornix app. It should indicate a successful link. To further confirm, consider executing a very small test trade to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Always review your Cornix settings to optimize your trading strategy and preferences. For ongoing security, regularly review the permissions granted to your Binance API key and revoke any unnecessary access. Always ensure two-factor authentication is enabled on both your Binance and Cornix accounts for maximum protection against unauthorized access. This adds an essential layer of security to your trading activities. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.